Friends, today we will be discussing one topic of class 11 of microeconomics, that is production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. What is the need to discuss production possibility curve? The production possibility curve help us to decide to solve two problems. One is what to produce, second one is how to produce. Let us first discuss what is the meaning of production possibility curve. प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व का मीनिंग क्या है? सो दिस इज ए कर्व which shows the production combination, production possibility of two goods in an economy when the resources are fully utilized at a state of technology, at a given state of technology. जितने भी रिसोर्स है इकोनॉमी में, अगर सारे रिसोर्स को हम फुल्ली यूटिलाइज करेंगे, एफिशिएंटली यूटिलाइज करेंगे, सो दो गुड्स का क्या प्रोडक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकता है, दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए शेड्यूल. आप प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी शेड्यूल देख सकते हैं. जितने भी रिसोर्स है, these resources are used for the production of two goods, let it is rice and wheat. So there are 5 production combination here: A, B, C, D and E. And this production possibility or production combination shows various alternative production possibility of rice and wheat. Now if you show the table through a graph, you can find a curve. In the figure you can see the curve is production possibility curve or production possibility frontier curve. It is negatively sloped from left to right. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, अगर प्रोडक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन अंदर में होगा, इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. व्हेन प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी इज ऑन द कर्व इटसेल्फ, इट रिप्रेजेंट्स फुल यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. और कोई भी प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी जो पीपीसी कर्व का एबव में है, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स दैट इज बियॉन्ड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द इकोनॉमी. दैट मीन्स the economy is not having that capacity to produce the combination of two goods which is above the production possibility curve. So in order to construct the production possibility curve, we have to take some basic assumptions. कुछ basic conditions है. The conditions are: number 1, technology remain constant, resources are fully and efficiently used, perfect substitutability among the resources are identical in nature, economy produce only two goods. So these are the conditions, these are the assumptions for the construction of production possibility curve. Now let us see what are the features, characteristics of production possibility curve. Number 1, production possibility curve is negatively sloped from left to right. इसका रीज़न है, जब एक गुड का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा, दूसरे गुड का प्रोडक्शन घटेगा. विद द इंक्रीज इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वन कमोडिटी, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अदर कमोडिटी डिक्रीजेस. इसीलिए प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व नेगेटिवली स्लोप्ड है. सेकेंड रीज़न, आप डायग्राम देख सकते हैं, जो प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व है, दैट इज कॉन्केव टू ओरिजिन. द रीज़न है ड्यू टू इंक्रीजिंग मार्जिनल रेट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. लेट अस फर्स्ट डिस्कस व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. Marginal opportunity cost is the rate of substituting additional unit of one good in place of another. That means when we are producing one commodity more, we are losing other commodity. So the ratio between loss of good and gain of good is called as marginal opportunity cost. आप टेबल देख सकते हैं, इसमें you can calculate marginal opportunity cost. In the table you see production of rice is increasing while the production of wheat is falling. जैसे प्रोडक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन ए, जब आप मूव करेंगे ए टू बी, राइस का प्रोडक्शन 10 यूनिट बढ़ा लेकिन व्हीट का प्रोडक्शन 10 यूनिट घटा, तो लॉस ऑफ गुड 10, गेन ऑफ गुड 10, 10 by 10 1. Similarly, when you move from B to C, the change in production of wheat is 20 and the change in production of rice is 10. So 20 by 10 is equal to 2. So in this way you can calculate marginal opportunity cost. In the table you can see that the marginal opportunity cost is rising. The marginal opportunity cost is rising. When marginal opportunity cost is rising, that is the reason that why the production possibility curve is concave to origin. Next you see, how can you decide which goods are to be produced in the economy with the help of PPC. Here in the table, in the diagram you see, on the x-axis we are taking capital good, on the y-axis we are taking consumer good. The economy has to decide which goods are to be produced. With the help of the diagram, the resource can be allocated whether to produce more unit of capital good or less unit of consumer good, or less unit of capital good and more unit of consumer goods. Similarly, with the help of production possibility curve, we can decide the technology that would be adopted to produce the goods in an efficient way. Production possibility curve can shift rightward or leftward. When the production possibility curve is shifting rightward, it represents there is economic growth and it is possible with the growth of resources and improvement of technology. जब इकोनॉमी में रिसोर्स का ग्रोथ होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी का इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होगा, the production possibility curve will shift rightward. In the same way, अगर रिसोर्स घट जाएगा, टेक्नोलॉजी, ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी यूज्ड, then production possibility curve leftward shift होगा. And rotation of PPC, the production possibility curve can rotate also. In the figure you see, the production possibility curve is rotating where there is improvement of technology for the production of good A. When there is technology used which expand the production of good A, the PPC will shift in the figure which is mentioned here. Similarly, when the technology is used that is helpful to expand the production of good Y, गुड बी का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा, जो टेक्नोलॉजी अगर गुड बी का प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाएगा तो पीपीसी कर्व विल शिफ्ट राइटवर्ड व्हिच इज मेंशन इन द फिगर. सो दिस इज व्हाट द रोटेशन ऑफ पीपीसी and these are the possible questions from the chapter. You can solve it. Thank you.